Hello, everyone. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. It's nice to be here with you guys. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. We'll be going in a little bit early today. We had the initial session earlier today, and I just feel we should. Hey, Cleasley, how are you? Yeah, we're back again. That's good. It's nice to have you here, Cleasley. Thank you so much for coming. Hope you're feeling great today. That's good. I just I felt a need to enter into the market again early this time around. Let's check if the market has kind of settled down a little bit. So I'll be using the same setting we used in the morning. Yes. Oh, that's good. That's good. I like that. It took a very nice snap. That's very nice. Guys, thank you so much for joining. As you're joining, please help me click the like button. Yes, I would really appreciate if you can do that as like ASAP. Let's do it right now because the more like button we click, the more YouTube recommends the video to the rest of our friends. So let's do that quickly. So that would be nice. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate. So this time around, we're going to check the market to make sure that now let me quickly talk about the setup because the setup is important. So we're using M5 time frame and we're using candlestick chart types. So we enable timer, and over here we're using M5 time frame also in the flag mode. So basically that's the whole setup right there. Nothing special. Well, maybe that's a special one, but nothing too fancy. Let me put it that way. You understand? So we're going to be testing the market to see if it's okay now, because the market was not settled in the morning. I could sense it. Look at this. Now this is one of those things. Now this is a ranging market, though it's a kind of price channel. But if you see a doji in the middle of a price channel, that doji should work. But this doji did not work. So you can see the market is still not settled yet. And look at this. We have a supply here. Price just broke the supply. Price just broke this supply without any respect. So you can see now price broke this supply without any respect. This dojo was disrespected. It did not happen. You understand? So let's see if this dojo was also disrespected. Though this dojo is different from that one. You understand? So in a way, if we're able to check the market and see that it's not settled, at least we'll have that in mind. Now, even if we're going to take any trade, we will have that in mind that the market is not settled yet. So I'm seeing the signs, because supply and demands need to be respected, for the market to act normally. So if they are not respected, it means that it's not just okay for now. You understand? But it's not a problem though. We're still going to find a way to take good trades. It doesn't mean you cannot trade. It simply just means that I feel like going with sellers here. Oh, I was expecting a red candle because of that market sequence of two green candles then red. We're going to be hanging in here for a while. Yeah, I saw the QM. I had to figure it out. Even the QM was disrespected. This QM, look at this. Price just broke through this QM without any respect at all. So it tells you that in a way, the market is not settled yet, but we're still going to find. I like to train myself in difficult situations like this. so that we can find the best entries. Exactly, you're correct. The QM is weak, but we'll keep searching the markets because we're on M5, so we would be fine. We should be able to. Okay, this doji was respected. This market might be okay. This market might be okay. We have well respected dojis here. All right. Okay. You can see price broke this doji, give us a retracement. You broke this one to give us a retracement. Broke it another time, give us another retracement. This market might be up onto something. Hey Kolawole, how are you? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Hope you're feeling great today. It's so nice to have you here. Thank you so much. So we'll take our time, we'll look for the best trades, and we will not rush. So I'll mark this one as a favorite because the market seems okay. We may not see our opportunity yet, but oh, I couldn't read that last message. I think the message is from Kolawole. I couldn't read that last message. Please resend it. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. That was so nice. Hey, Subteria, how are you? Yeah, my brother from South Africa. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much. Oh my God, see this candle. I think you see these kind of candles are candles that they used to reset the market, especially all those OTC markets. Those are the candles they used to reset it. It just looks like a very big, crazy reset. As if someone just pressed one reset button. Oh, okay, we have a very good QM here. Yes, it's nice to have you here. I can't wait to watch. Yes, definitely we would make some very nice wins. So let me clear this. Let's mark this though. This QM. There's a QM here. There's a QM here, so I believe the QM should work. Let's check M3. Oh, we're an M5. So let's check M15. We don't see the engulf in M15. Let's check M30. Okay, fine. We have M30. We have M30 confirmation. So we'll go down to lower time frame. Though there's one entry in M5. Let's mark that entry first. There's one M5 entry here. Let's mark it. This is a good one. We'll just take it calmly today. Okay. So this is the first. It's also a demand area. I'll mark it as a demand. We may have other entries in the inside it, so let's check. Okay, price is coming into that area. We have another entry here. We'll mark all the entries gently. Okay. We'll mark this one as a lower time frame entry. Okay. I always trust M1 entries though. If I okay, fine. These are M1 entries. There's a fresh one down here. I'll take that fresh one. I'll leave the other one that is not fresh. I'll take this one. When in M5 trading, I like. Okay. Hey, Dinero, how are you? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining, guys. If you're in the if you're in the session, please send me a hi on the in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out. Let's just recognize your presence. Yeah, you're welcome, my brother. Thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Yes, let me give you a shout out, guys. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out, okay? Hey, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. Abdul Majid, thank you so much for joining. Thank you very much. Okay, we have two entries. There's one here from M1, there's another one from M2. So we're going to take those trades. It's nice to have you here. Oh, I couldn't read. Okay, I am new, just scrolling here. From Maryland, USA. Oh, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Kola Ole also. Dinero, thank you so much. You are new here. Oh, it's so nice to have you here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Abdul Majid, I'm the one that messaged you. Oh, okay. Yes. I remember now. Yes. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. It's so nice to have you here. Thank you very much. Thank you. Guys, if you are new to the channel, I would really appreciate if you can click that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and we are very, very close. Guys, we're very, very close. One thing I will ask is that please click that subscribe button. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you the lesson very fast. You understand? Just give me 1 minute. I will explain. So, guys, I would really appreciate if you can click the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 and we're very, very close. You understand? So, just click the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. And not just that, though, guys, we are making history right now. You understand? You have the chance to be one of the first 1,000 subscribers on the Barter-Pro YouTube channel. So, just do it right away. You understand? Apart from the fact that it's an honor, it's also an opportunity to make history right now. So let's just do it. Thank you so much. Okay, let me answer your question. This is binary options trading, and we have an opportunity here. We're waiting for the opportunity. The name of this strategy is called QM strategy, and it usually happens when you have an ABC to the downside. Like what to mean by ABC is this push, this down, up, down pattern, then another up pattern immediately and breaks the previous swing. So anytime that happens, it gives us this QM. Now to be able to trade QM properly, we are trading on M5. So first we will go to M15. We will go to M15 to find an engulf, but we don't see the engulf in M15. So we'll check M30 for the engulf, and we found the engulf in M30. That's the first confirmation that increases our probability of winning the trade. So the next thing we'll do now is to go to lower time frames. I'm not going to do that right now, but we went to lower time frame to seek out and find all the entries. So you see all this pinkish purple area and this blue area and this green area. Now all of them are where the possible buyers are, and they're going to push the price upside. So what we expect is that immediately price comes into this entry, we will take a trade to the upside. Like we'll just take a trade with the buyers, and we are expecting the price to pull back up and probably give us a green candle or just pull back up and give us a weak red candle. That's all we're waiting for right now. So let me mark this one as a favorite, and the next thing we need to do now is to wait for price to come into that entry. As traders, like 90% of our job is just waiting. Basically, we have been paid to wait actually. So that's exactly what we're currently waiting for right now. The best entry would have been so if price comes into this area and gets to this round number. There's a round number here called there's a level here 18.86500. If price can get under that round number, I'm expecting a push to the upside. So that's what we're currently waiting for right now. You understand? The most important thing is that we can check other markets. You understand? Then come back to this. But sometimes, if you leave the market for too long, okay, near my trend line, okay. Oh, okay. You took that trade. Oh, wow. Okay, that's cool. Oh, okay. You took advantage of the market sequence. Like you mean the two red, then green, the two red, then green, then the two red, then green. Oh, okay, okay. I know it's fine. It happens like that. Can we use it to trade? Yes, you can actually trade a market sequence, but you can't just trade market sequence alone. What you can do is combine it with other reasons. You understand? If you have other reasons to combine it with, fine. You understand? I think Cleasley probably took it as a maybe another block or as a what they call this. Yes, you need more reasons with it, or else it may not work. And there's the reason why that trade worked. Let me explain to you. I probably didn't even see it before, but now I'm seeing it. We have an SBD here. You understand? And price broke that supply. So anytime price behaves like that and breaks the supply like that, it becomes a demand, and that's the reason why that area the buyers are treating this place as a demand area. You can see. So we have a previous supply got broken, then we have a demand here right now. That's the reason why we have that green candle happen. You understand? So it does happen like that sometimes. Like so, we just need to wait for it. But you know what? While we're waiting for it, let's check the rest of the market. I know not all the markets are good right now, so we have to look for the ones with good opportunity. This one was not good the last time we checked, so we need a market. Usually, I prefer ranging markets. Okay, this market is just being reset. Yes, you have your alert set. Yes, we should set the alert. Yes, we're not going to miss it. Though I kind of like this market. Let's see if there's an opportunity we can take here. Hmm. Okay, Doji seems to be working in this market, and it seems to be like a ranging market. Now, this is a price channel to the upside. You can see, and price has given it the correction. This is the correction for this. So it's more like a liquidity sweep. It already happened. You can see there's liquidity sweep already in the market here. So let me mark this doji because this doji seems to be working. It worked both up and down. We'll keep an eye on that market because okay, we can take this trade. We should be able to go with the with the sellers after this. But like I said, we're on M5. We cannot rush. So let's check. Okay, we found our entry. Let's go back to M5. Sorry. Let's go back to M5. We have an entry up here. This will be interesting. So we have 15 seconds for this candle to close. Then we'll take our trade. Okay. I was trying to target that round number. Okay. We may have a trend line here. In fact, two trend lines already. There's a common point of rejection here. And there also is very steep trend line too. It's up here. Okay. Okay. So we can set this now. Though the reason why I'm taking this trade right now is because number one, we have a morning star pattern. Then number two, look at this trend line. It coincides with the seller's entry. So we are taking that trade. And over here, we have a kind of supply entry at the top here. So I'm kind of waiting for that supply now. And if price doesn't come for that supply, that's why I took that first one. Let's see. Okay. And that's one thing with M5. You have to like sit down and wait for your trade to play out. So it's more like when you have a trade, you can like enter your trade, then go and make a coffee and come back. Or you take your trade and you go and serve your food, then you come back. Because it's a whole 5 minutes. Are you gonna be waiting? Especially if you already know the kind of trade you took, that is a very good trade. You can just take your trade and go and do something for 5 minutes, then come back. If your heart will not be racing, anyways. Guys, thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. If you are new to the channel and you're just joining, send a hi in the comment section. We have some time now. We can do a little bit of chit chat. You understand? Now we still have like 2 minutes for a chit chat. You understand? Hey, Gemworld, welcome. Hope you're feeling great today. Everybody, Gemworld is in the house. Thank you so much, Gemworld. Gemworld has been one of the amazing people in the house right now. She's the OG of this channel. So thank you so much for joining, Gemworld. Hope you're feeling great today. She's been one of our main she's one of our main supporters on this channel. So thank you so much. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. It's so nice. Oh, you entered. That's good. That's good. No, it's a very good trade actually. We have trend line. We have morning star. Though we didn't have a gap up, but it's still gonna be a good trade actually. Right on the trend line, yes. That trend line is very good. It's so nice. This trade is so nice. And we have market sequence too. If you check the range, this range, you have two green, then red, two green, red. So if you have another two green, you can go with the red too. It's a very nice one. 3 seconds. That's good. That's good. That's a very good trade. It was a short shot, yes. You're very correct. It was a short shot. Just like I said, like you can take this kind of trade now. Go and dish your food in the kitchen. By the time you come back, chin chin. It's very nice. We're going to look for more trades like this. Let's check this one. Okay. This is a double bottom. After this liquidity sweep, they are giving us a double bottom. Thank you so much, Kola. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, it's coming. I'm kind of looking at this. We may have a double doji break here. And if that happens, it's really going to be nice. It's really going to be nice if we have a double doji break. And always remember that we're in M5, so we can relax a little bit. This is supply. We have a supply up here. Okay, this is good. This is good. Hmm. Let's see. Okay. CHF knock. Yes. We're there already. CHF knock. We may have a double doji break. See, we have a doji here. There's another doji here. You understand? So if this candle breaks this two doji, we have a supply up here. Let me take this one out. Yeah, it's coming to the sweet spot. So there's a supply up here too. The only concern I have is that this may this may be giving us a what they call it. It may be giving us a double bottom. And when you have double bottom, the market is telling the buyers it's time to buy. That's the only problem I have with this. But we're going to tread cautiously. We're going to go gently. We're not going to rush. And it has a lot of weeks, yes. Hey, 990 LG. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you back. Thank you so much. Mm-hmm. I'm kind of looking at it. Though I'm seeing I think the reason why the sellers are rejecting is because of this area. It's because of this area. But you see, this kind of candle may end up with a very strong bullish candle to the upside. The market seems very bullish right now, but I really can't do anything to this market right now. So let's just see what we can do. Okay, that's good. So this is a supply area, but it's not a strong supply area. But we'll keep assessing it to see what we can do. Though, let's go lower time frame. Let's see what's happening under the hood. Okay, we have a supply here, hence this rejection. Though I usually don't check M2 for this kind of thing. We have That supply is still being reinforced in M2. Let's check M1. There's nothing like that in M1. Okay. But price has not touched this place. We have an M1 entry over here. Let's go back to M5 and hold it. I have a feeling we're going to have a very strong bullish candle to the upside. That's why these sellers retraced a little bit. Then we'll have another bullish candle. Because none of the dojis were broken. None of the dojis were broken right now. Okay. Okay. Yes, okay. We wish it didn't break. I actually wished that the two dojis were broken. That double doji. I wish it had happened. We would have gone with the sellers. Because I was expecting we'll go with the sellers after that double doji break. But that did not happen. That did not happen. But no problem. We can always see. Okay. Oh, did I mark this doji range in red? No, I don't want to mark it in red. I want to mark it in this purple. M5 trades, you understand? It requires a lot of patience, a lot of analyzing. But when you find your entry and you take the trade, the market is kind of very sure. But it just needs a little bit of understanding it, basically. So this is the second doji area. In fact, let me mark it like this. I'll mark it with this. Okay. Now we have that double bottom. I told you now. You can see the double bottom is clear now. It's very clear. Let me take a peek here. Oh my God! Our entry. That's why we should not take our eyes off. This was our entry, the one we talked about. If you enter the second entry, I'll take one more. We had an entry here. Hey Danish, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Okay, this is our second entry. So because of the push to the downside, I'm not going to add more to it. But these two trades should be sufficient enough to give us a win. I'm expecting a pull to the upside. So I'm waiting for that pull to the upside. What are you on? Yes, it's because I've already explained in the morning though. It's because it's a price session, that's why. So I'm expecting that pull to the upside right now. We should have enough push to the upside. Let's just wait for it and see. So I should keep my eyes on the other one too. Okay. Let me expand it so that we can see. We have two good entries. I'm expecting this one to pull back. Hey, Stefan, Exchange, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. Okay, we won one of the trades. The other one was a loss. So one of the entries, really, if the price comes back into this entry, I'll still go with the buyers for one more time, especially under this round number, this 18.86400. So if price comes back into that area, I'm going to take another trade to the upside. But let's check this one quickly because we cannot take our eyes off it for too long. We're having rejections. This is going to be our entry here. But I'm considering this double bottom. Double bottoms are very, very, especially when a double bottom is accompanied by a momentum. It's very, very dicey. So I know what I'm going to do. Let's reduce the risk. I'm still going to take the trade, but with very small risk. You understand? So it's better to reduce your risk when you see reasons why you may not win the trade. So it's either you don't take the trade at all, or you just reduce your risk. Because sometimes you may think you will not win, then okay, this is the trade I said I would take under that round number. Let's see if it give us a green candle. I expect the buyers to come in because when this is a QM. This is a QM, so I'm expecting a green candle to happen here. We're having some rejections. That tells you that we have sellers here. Those sellers keep rejecting the price, but they can't reject it for long. There's a lot of back and forth between the buyers and sellers here. Okay. So let's see. Price is very close to our entry here. Let's just stay on this one. We'll expand it very well so that we can see. I was actually expecting the buyers to be very strong, especially the fact that we are currently in a QM zone. Though this kind of candle sometimes it means it's a sign of reversal. When you have a spinning candle in a critical area like this. Oh, that's very close. No, that was too close. Come on. That was very close. But no problem. Let's check the other one. Oh, the sellers finally rejected the price. No problem. We'll look for another trade. We'll look for another market. It takes a while to find a very good entry in M5, but once you see it, they are kind of solid. And I'm happy that we reduced the trade amount. Hey, home pay me. How are you? Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. Kataje, how are you today? Thank you so much. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you, thank you. Guys, please, if you're new to the channel, I would really appreciate if you can click the subscribe button. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and we're very, very close right now. So you have the opportunity to be one of the first 1,000 subscribers on the Barter-Pro channel. Thank you so much for joining. Please go ahead and click subscribe button now. And if you're in the house and yet to click the like button, let's do that right away, so that YouTube can inform the rest of our friends who are about to join us. You understand? Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Let's look for very nice trades. We look for very nice trades. Okay, here we go. Thank you so much, Kataji. I really appreciate that. You know, I'm here for you. I'm doing my best to make sure that you understand everybody gets something at least at the end of the day. Oh, this was a good trade. We missed it. See this beautiful third breakout. See now, very beautiful. We may have another green candle here. So let's go with the green candle under that round number. Yeah, there's a round number there under it. We can have a green candle. Oh, I forgot that I changed the price, the amount to $6. Let's go back with the normal balance, with the normal percentage. Hey Matthew, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's nice to have you here. Okay, it's 12.5. That's good. Okay, we have 1 minute and 40 something seconds left. We missed this beautiful trade. This was a beautiful trade. This total breakout is a beautiful trade. Also, wait, we may have another opportunity here. I didn't see that before, but now that I see it, I can't see it. Okay, let me clear everything. I'll redraw the lines. Let's have this one back. We might have a point of decision here, and price might already be in that point of decision, but no problem. Let's go to lower time frame and check if there's a point of decision we can take advantage of. Okay, we found one. There's one here. We'll go again. Let's check S30. Oh, there's another one up here. Oh, I mean down here. No, this. Okay, this is the one. All right, this is good. So this is M5. You can see price rejecting from that common point of rejection now. Price is rejecting from it. We are late to that entry, but no problem. We'll mark this one also. Okay. Yes, win again. That's good. That's another win for us. That was a good one. That was a good one. What's BHD? Okay, okay, the previous one. Mm, hmm. I'm kind of looking at the market to see. We can go with the sellers after this candle, but this candle needs to. Oh, you want the last candle? That's good. That's very nice. If this candle gives us a green candle and exactly, so it's going to be a fair value gap, and the other block will be at the top. I'm not going to mark it, but let's just size it up real quick. If we find an entry there, I'll mark the entry, only the entry. If we don't see the entry, no problem. There's one crazy entry up there. Yes, we need to just watch it. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Well, let me quickly check that previous market. Oh, I didn't mark that market. There was one market I was checking just now. Oh, I didn't mark it. That market had this common point of rejection, decision point trade. I was hoping we would take some decision point trade on it. Yes, it's not. It's glad to see everyone. In the morning, we're more than that. Oh, 10 of you guys there. Wow, that's amazing, man. It's nice to have all of you here. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you guys. It's really nice to have you guys here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I was checking for that. Was it this? What is this? No, not this one. Okay. Hey, brown boy, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. Sorry, I couldn't read your message. Please resend it. I'm trying to read it, but the message went very fast. I'm looking for a very good entry or a very good what do they call it? Okay, fine. We found it finally. Let me mark it as favorites. Oh, okay. It's already played out. Come on now. I was looking for it. That trade is already playing out. We had two entries. There was one up here, then the one down here. The one down here is already playing out, and it's only just 30 seconds remaining. But no problem. It's all right. It happens like that sometimes, you know. But we'll keep an eye on it, so no problem. This looks like a third touch. Oh, we could go with the buyers. You know what? Let's go with the buyers. I know the entry is very bad, but it's a very nice trade to take actually. If it goes down, I'll take one more. Oh, we have a gap up. Oh, it has a gap up. This is a very nice third breakout. You can see first touch high, second touch high, high. Now, this last candle is a doji break. You can see it coming breaking out of this doji. Let me see. Let me see if there's another reason that we can go with the buyers. Let's check M1. If there's an M1 entry there, I'll take the trade. Let me see if there's something on M2. You know what? I'll take one again because of the position where it is. I'm looking at one of these areas. There's every tendency that we may have enough buyers there to push the price to the upside. So let's go back to M5 and wait. Now the probability of the buyers is not very strong, especially because of that. Especially because of that gap up. If not for that gap up, we would have a very good run. But nonetheless, you understand, we may still have a very good run. So let's see. You can see now this third breakouts. You understand? If the buyers can just hold because I was looking at this area. You understand the way it is. There are some demand areas there, but those demand areas are not very strong. But there's plenty of it. So we may have enough buyers to push us to the upside. And if those buyers can hold up for the next 2 minutes and 20, maybe 28 seconds, that would be nice. So let's see. So while we're waiting, guys, if you're here to subscribe to the channel, I'll really appreciate if you can do that right now. Just click the subscribe button. It's free of charge. You can imagine. So there's something free of charge. You understand? We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers and we're very, very close. We're very, very close. So I'll really appreciate if you can click the subscribe button. You understand? And if you're here to click the like button, just do that right away. Click the like button too. I think double tapping the screen kind of gives you that like button. I'm not sure how they do it, but you can just try it and let's see. We have 1 minute and 15 seconds left, so I'm really praying that the buyers will hold up the price and would end up with this green candle like this to be nice. Okay. Okay. All right. 40 seconds. That's good. So also, guys, if you would like to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, the link is in the description below. Click that Telegram channel link, and so once you are in the Telegram channel, you can just click this tag. The tag is called at Barter-Pro mentorship at Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? So you can just click on it and send me a message directly. You understand? So from there we'll be able to discuss your mentorship and all that. Barter-Pro mentorship is where I teach my students. Everything I'm showing you guys here, that's where I teach my students one-on-one. I hold them by the hand, step by step. We go through it together. You understand? It's simply just to make sure that they become one of the best traders and one of the most profitable traders also for themselves, actually. So it makes so much sense. So if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, click the link in description below. You understand? We will look for another trade. Let me see. Is the comment section still working? Please, someone should help me test it. I don't want it to be like the other time. The other time when the comment section was not working. Please, let's just keep testing it at every point in time. So if in case I'm not able to read your message, that shows that the comment section is not working. But if it's working, please let me know. Let's test it. And there, sometimes if it's not working like that, what you guys need to do is you guys need to send a lot of messages to it. Then sometimes it just refreshes and picks up by itself. So it's very possible that the network kind of makes it not work immediately. But let's just keep sending messages to it until it picks it up by itself. Sometimes it does like that. So let's check. Guys, please give me a minute. Let me I'll be with. Okay, guys, we're back. Sorry for that. I had to quickly attend to something quickly. Okay, so where were we? Oh, did you miss anything? This looks like a very strong push to the downside. Okay, no problem. But I have a feeling they'll probably go back again. But no worries. We don't have any opportunity here, so let's okay. Oh, this trade. We missed this entry again. Oh, come on. This is a good entry. And it has gap up. And it's a red green pattern. Oh, come on now. This is a very good trade. We missed. Oh, look at this. Red, green, red, green, red, green. We should be expecting this red to happen. And it has our entry that we marked. Oh, come on now. This is a very good one. You remember that decision point we marked? This is an area of support and price broke the level. So if price comes back into this trade now, this will be our decision point. This is very nice. Oh, sometimes we just miss some opportunity, but no problem. It happens like that sometimes. It does happen like that sometimes. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. We can go with the sellers after this. I really want this price to like break to the upside, to really, really break to the upside. We'll go with the sellers. Yes, let's go with the sellers. And also, this is what we're gonna do. If it goes up again, I'll take one more with the sellers. The reason why we're taking this trade is because is the comment section working? I'm not sure it's working again. Oh, how are we gonna communicate now? Anyways, no, guys, don't worry. Let's just keep bombarding that comment area. S- Sometimes if we continue to bombard the comment section area, it picks up. It picks up again. So let's just keep doing that until it picks up, because I know that it has happened before like this. It's probably due to network. It's network that used to cause it. We have a little bit of not very good network. The average. Oh yes, it's working now. Ah, thank God. Yes, it's working. You see, if you bombard it very well to work. Yes, please resend that message. Please resend your messages now. The comment section is back. That's what we're going to be doing now. Anytime it's not working, we'll bombard that comment section with messages. It will pick by itself after a while. So I'm so glad. I'm so glad it's working now. I saw it briefly just now. Please keep sending those messages, those comments, so that the thing can pick. I saw it briefly the other time, so it shows that it's about to come up. Hmm. We need to keep bombarding that comment section. That's the only way we can communicate. I really like that feedback, the way we're communicating, sharing ideas, you understand, paying attention to anything I miss. That's amazing. Now, the reason why I took this trade is because we have this morning star pattern, you understand, and we have a market sequence. I'm looking at, I can see like market sequence of two candles, then red. This one is three candles red. This other one is three candles red. You look at this 3 candles red, but there's where is it? Okay, this one is 2 candles red. So we have 2 candles red here too. I mean 2 green candles then red. So guys, I can't see your messages, your comment section yet, but let's keep bombarding it until it peaks. It almost peaked that time. It came briefly then left again. It happens like that sometimes, and I don't know why. I have a feeling it's because of the network. I have a feeling it's because of the network. Sometimes it just stays there like that. I want us to hang around here for some time, so I don't want us to be out of communication. Okay, let me mark this price channel while we wait on that trade. This is a price channel, so we'll mark all the areas. There you go. Here we go. Okay, so you can see we have up here we have the sellers, down here we have the buyers. So over here now you can see that the buyers have broken this level. Now we have a break of structure, but you see, if this candle gives us a red, we'll go with the sellers. If it gives us a red candle, like an inverted hammerhead candle, we're going to with the sellers. It's a sign of it's going to be a sign of reversal. I really wish this comment section comes back on. I don't want to be out of communication or out of touch with you guys. We have 23 seconds. Okay, interesting. Why are the buyers all of a sudden trying to push side? This is a very beautiful trade. I can bet the buyers will still go up. They need to come to this entry up here. That was a winning trade. That was a winning trade. Okay. So let's check. Okay, we still have the sellers going crazy on this market. We're not going to touch it for now. This is a very good um ranging market. This is a range right now. You know what? You see, this kind of market, this is what I call bread and butter. I'll tell you why. Anytime you see a ranging market that has red green pattern, like this red green, red green, red green, red, and now have a doji in the middle. Oh my god, this is bread and butter. Now there are certain trades that will work in this kind of market. I hope everything works out fine. You see, common point of rejections, they will work in this kind of market. They will work. You can combine your common point of rejections with what they call it, with round numbers. They will work in this kind of market too. I'm waiting for price to come up here. I'm taking a trade with the sellers. We'll be going with the sellers. Common point of rejection. Oh, it's almost there. Okay, let me mark the doji range quickly. All right. I'm waiting for price to come here. This is where I want to take the trade. If it comes down here, we'll trade under this round number. This 1.16350. We can take a trade there too. Oh, this comment section. Oh, sorry guys, it's not my fault that that the comment section is not working. I know you would have been, especially Claysley. I know you'd have been sending me messages, but I just can't read them. Or would it be okay if I like cut the session then reset it again and come back? Would that be good? You know what? Let's take this trade. Let's take this trade first. I can cut the session, then I will come back again. We'll refresh it so that the network will refresh by itself. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for this the entry here. There's going to be a good entry here. That's where our entry is. If this candle ends as a doji, it will be too nice, because now you have a double doji. If you have a double doji in the middle of a trend, that's a crazy one. In the middle of a ranging market, though it has happened before, but if that happens now, oh my god. Our trade is about to happen. Yeah, we'll take the trade here and we'll expect the pullback. Nice. There's still more trade we are going to take here. Actually, you see this whole setup, it's bread and butter on its own. You understand? There are some times, now let me give you one gist. There were some times where this is the only kind of trade I used to look for in the market. I would not bother about anything. You know what, guys? Let's do it like this. Let's cut this session, then I will refresh the session and come back Can you guys do that? Let's reconnect again, okay? Because of the comment section that is not working. So I'll cut the. Let me stop the session now. Then I'll come back again. You understand? So just stay on the channel. I'll relaunch the live again.